Hello, and welcome to the 14th series of our Bio MCQ journey. I am your host, VK Vasu, and today, we are diving into chapter of Living World Virus topic. If you're ready to test your understanding of the fascinating world of biology, you are in the right place. But before we jump into the questions, if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things biology. Now, let's embark on this learning adventure together. In this 14th series, we will be exploring a variety of bio-related multiple-choice questions that cover everything from virus topic. So, grab your virtual lab coat, get comfortable, and let's embark on this 14th series of Bio MCQ together. Are you ready? Let's start with first question. Interferon suppresses the pathogenic activity of A. Bacteria, B. Viruses, C. Protozoans, D. Helminths. Interferon primarily suppresses the pathogenic activity of B. Viruses. Interferons are proteins that play a crucial role in the immune response against viral infections by inhibiting the replication of viruses within host cells. They are less effective against bacteria, protozoans, or helminths. Interferons are a family of proteins with three main types: alpha, beta, and gamma. Alpha and beta interferons primarily produced by cells in response to viral infections. Gamma interferon is mainly produced by T cells and natural killer cells. After reveal this question, we move towards our next question. Next is, tobacco mosaic virus, TMV, has A. a single-stranded RNA molecule, B. a double-stranded RNA molecule, C. a single-stranded DNA molecule, D. a double-stranded DNA molecule. TMV is a plant pathogen that affects various types of plants, particularly tobacco and other members of the nightshade family. The genetic material of tobacco mosaic virus is a single-stranded RNA molecule. So option A is the right answer. Understanding this aspect of the virus is key to developing strategies for managing and preventing the impact of TMV on agricultural crops. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Viruses that infect bacteria, multiply, and cause their lysis are called A. Lytic, B. Lysogenic, C. Lysogeny, D. Lipolytic. We are diving into the fascinating world of viruses that infect bacteria. These viruses play a crucial role in the balance of microbial ecosystems. Let's explore the specific type of viruses that cause bacterial lysis. The correct answer is A. Lytic. Let me explain why. Lytic viruses, these are bacteriophages that follow a lytic cycle. In this cycle, the virus injects its genetic material into the host bacterium, takes control of the bacterial machinery, and directs it to produce new viral particles. As these new viruses multiply, they eventually cause the host bacterium to burst or lyse, releasing the newly formed viruses to infect other bacteria. So, to sum it up, viruses that infect bacteria go through a lytic cycle and lead to the lytic of the host bacterium are appropriately called lytic viruses. Understanding these processes is essential not only in microbiology but also in appreciating the intricate dynamics of the microbial world. I hope this explanation was helpful. Moving towards our next question is, phages that show lysogenic cycle are called A. temperate phagage, B. virulent phagage, C. avirulent phagage, D. lytic phagage. Let's dive into the question. Phages that show lysogenic cycle are called. The correct answer is A. temperate phagage. Temperate phagage are the ones that can undergo both the lysogenic and lytic cycles. In the lysogenic cycle, the temperate phagage integrates its genetic material into the host bacterium's DNA, becoming a prophagage. This integrated state can persist for some time without immediately causing cell lysis. On the other hand, virulent phagage, mentioned in option B, primarily follow the lytic cycle. They infect the host bacterium, replicate rapidly, and then burst the cell open, releasing new phagage to infect more cells. Options C, avirulent phagage, and D, lytic phagage are not accurate in this context. Avirulent doesn't specifically refer to lysogenic phagage, and lytic phages typically don't undergo lysogeny. So, in summary, phages that show the lysogenic cycle are termed temperate phages. They have the ability to integrate their genetic material into the host's genome, exhibiting a more stealthy, long-term relationship with the host bacterium. I hope this clarifies the concept for you. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like to explore, feel free to let me know. After reveal this question, we move towards our next question. Next is, a bacteriophage is A. A virus attacking a bacterium. B. A bacterium attacking a virus. C. A stage in the life cycle of bacterium. D. A virus attacking another virus. Bacteriophages, tiny entities with a big impact in the world of microbiology. Let's delve into the options to discover the correct answer. Option A suggests that a bacteriophage is a virus attacking a bacterium. This is indeed the correct answer. Bacteriophages are viruses that specifically target and infect bacteria, hijacking their cellular machinery to replicate and eventually release more phages. Now, let's consider option B, which proposes that a bacteriophage is a bacterium attacking a virus. However, this is not accurate. Bacteriophages are viruses, not bacteria, and their primary function is to infect and replicate within bacterial cells. Option C suggests that a bacteriophage is a stage in the life cycle of a bacterium. While the life cycle of bacteria does involve various stages, a bacteriophage is a separate entity acting as a parasite on bacteria rather than being a stage within the bacterial life cycle. Lastly, option D proposes that a bacteriophage is a virus attacking another virus. However, bacteriophages specifically target bacteria and do not infect other viruses. Overall, the correct answer is a bacteriophage is a virus that attacks bacteria. These fascinating entities play a crucial role in regulating bacterial populations in various environments. After reveal this question, we move towards our next question. Next is, tailed bacteriophages are A. Motile on surface of bacteria. B. Non-motile. C. Actively motile in water. D. Motile on surface of plant leaves. We are diving into the world of tailed bacteriophages and exploring their unique characteristics. Tailed bacteriophages are viruses that infect bacteria. They possess a distinctive tail structure, which plays a crucial role in the infection process. Option A suggests that tailed bacteriophages are motile on the surface of bacteria. This is indeed true. Tailed bacteriophages use their tail fibers to attach to specific receptors on the bacterial surface before injecting their genetic material. Option B suggests that tailed bacteriophages are non-motile. However, they are not generally considered motile themselves. Once attached to the bacterial surface, they rely on the bacterial machinery for movement rather than having independent motility. Option C suggests that they are actively motile in water. This is not accurate. Tailed bacteriophages typically rely on the bacteria they infect for movement and are not inherently motile in free water. Lastly, option D mentions motility on the surface of plant leaves. This is incorrect. Tailed bacteriophages are specialized for infecting bacteria and do not interact with plant surfaces. To sum up, tailed bacteriophages are indeed motile on the surface of bacteria but are not independently motile in water or on plant surfaces. Understanding these nuances helps us appreciate the intricate relationship between bacteriophages and bacteria. Therefore, option A is the right answer. After reveal this question, we move towards our next question. Next is, which of the following is a pandemic disease? A. Amoebic dysentery. B. Hepatitis. C. Filariasis. D. Influenza. We'll be discussing which of the following is a pandemic disease. Let's go through the options. Option A. Amoebic dysentery. While amoebic dysentery is a serious intestinal infection, it is not typically considered a pandemic disease. It is more localized and doesn't spread globally on a large scale. Option B. Hepatitis. Hepatitis can be widespread, but it doesn't usually reach pandemic levels. It tends to be more prevalent in certain regions or communities rather than globally. Option C. Filariasis. Filariasis is a parasitic disease transmitted by mosquitoes. Similar to amoebic dysentery, it is not classified as a pandemic. It is more prevalent in specific geographic areas. Option D. Influenza. Influenza, commonly known as the flu, is the correct answer. Influenza has the potential to cause global pandemics. This is due to its ability to rapidly spread across different continents, affecting a large number of people. In conclusion, the correct answer is D. Influenza. It has the capacity to become a pandemic, affecting people worldwide. It's essential to stay informed about influenza and take necessary precautions to prevent its spread. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content. After reveal this question, we move towards our next question. Next is, sometimes when a virus attacks a bacterium, neither the virus multiplies nor the bacterium dies. This phenomenon is called as A. Adsorption, B. Assimilation, C. Lysogeny, D. Viral stability. This phenomenon is known as lysogeny, and it plays a crucial role in the intricate dance between viruses and bacteria. Lysogeny occurs when a virus, also known as a bacteriophage, integrates its genetic material into the bacterial genome. Instead of immediately taking over and causing the bacterium to die, the viral DNA becomes part of the bacterial DNA. This integration allows the virus to coexist with the bacterium without immediate harm. The viral genes lie dormant within the bacterial genome, and the bacterium continues its normal activities. The stability in this relationship is why the correct answer is C. Lysogeny. During lysogeny, the viral genes may remain silent for extended periods, only to activate later, triggering the Litic cycle where the virus multiplies and the bacterium is eventually lysed. I hope that the question was very important and you must have understood it. Moving towards our next question. Next question is, on the basis of host-attacked viruses are classified into A. 2 types, B. 3 types, C. 4 types, D. 5 types. The correct answer is C. 4 types. Viruses can be classified into 4 main types based on the hosts they attack. These are animals, plants, bacteria, and archaea. Next is, the spread of AIDS disease is promoted by A. Homosexuality, B. Immoral way of life, C. Use of infected needles in blood transfusion, D. All the above. Answer will be D. All the above. HIV is spread from the body fluids of an infected person, including blood, breast milk, semen and vaginal fluids. It is not spread by kisses, hugs or sharing food. It also spread from a mother to her baby. Use of infected needle in blood transfusion is self-explanatory. Other than that, immoral way of life refers to multiple sexual partners. Homosexuals are at a greater risk of AIDS spread. Thanks to everyone for taking part in this fascinating journey through the world of biology. With our 14-part series, we've delved into the intricacies of life, exploring cells, genetics, and the wonders of the natural world. As we bid farewell to this series, remember that curiosity is the key to unlocking the secrets of biology. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and most importantly, keep learning. Until we meet again in our next adventure of discovery. If you found this information intriguing, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting explorations into the world of science. Thanks.